Veterinary Center is the shelter's contract veterinarian, meaning that they provide services to all the shelter's pets before they're available for adoption. In the past, we had to send animals to an off-site vet to be spayed or neutered, and then they were brought back to the shelter. This was very stressful on the animals, who had to be moved twice, and it was difficult on the staff. Now we have our own vet suite operating in-house, so all of our animals get their spay, neuter, and basic care right here on site, and meaning they can be ready for adoption faster, and it's much less stress on them.
I'm an associate veterinarian for Pender Veterinary Center, and my job was specifically hired on to help take care of shelter pets. By my experience, I love shelter medicine, so it was great when I found and talked to Dr. Powell and the opportunities that Pender could offer me when I was moving up to the area last July. So we come over here, we take care of all of our animals on intake. If there's anything outside of hours, that's where Pender can play a role. With emergency hours, it's fantastic. So Pender wanted to get involved in the community with quality care medicine, especially to the public shelter pets. So we look at cats, exotics, all our dogs, basically anything that comes in, strays, owner surrenders, anything that can go up for adoption, and we take care of all of their needs so that we can get them ready for the public adoptions. So Mondays we do trap, neuter, and return for our feral cat colonies. So we have several trappers throughout Fairfax County. It's estimated that approximately 200,000 feral cats exist in Fairfax County. So we come over and we trap anywhere from 20 to 30 cats on a Monday morning, and we carry out those spay and neuter procedures, and then they're re-released, back out into the environment, into their particular colonies. They are put back exactly where they were found. On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we carry out spay-neuter surgeries for our pets to get them ready for adoptions. We also do miscellaneous surgeries. And then Thursday, we do the exact same thing again in regards to exams. So then anything if I need to do further diagnostics like x-rays or anything, or ultrasound, I can run just down the street 1 mile up to Pender Veterinary Center and carry out those diagnostics if they're needed.